All right, what's up, YouTube? That kind of sucks. I just did an unboxing, but as soon as I opened it, they automatically sync to my phone. So whatever. Anyway, you guys know what it is. I just got the AirPods Pro. Just came in the mail. I actually sold my first AirPods. I had those from the beginning, and now I decided to go ahead and upgrade. So these are nice. I'm not going to open up again because they might sync again, stop my video. That's going to kind of piss me off. So anyway, I just unwrapped them, and let's see here. AirPods Pro. We got some information that comes with them. Basically, probably how to sync them, how to use them. But I'm pretty sure if you had the first AirPods, you would know how to use the AirPods Pro. They just released the AirPods Max, which is a freaking over-the-head headphones for $500. I think I'm going to skip on those bad boys because it's not the purpose I need them. But here, I'm guessing you pull this tab. There we go. We got some more ear customizable size, whatever you want to call these things. We got different sizes here that we can swap in and out that I'm going to do and customize with. We got a charging cable here, which is nice. I actually need a new charging cable, so I hope this is the same one that goes to the phone as well. Let's see. Oh, no, this is the new USB-C or whatever it's called. So I have the old iPhone, so this is not going to go to my phone, but it'll go to the case. All right, cool. So that's all that's in the box. That's my quick unboxing of the new AirPods Pro. I'm going to do an in-depth review here soon if you're interested. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more, and keep it coming. I appreciate the support, guys. All right, peace.